Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to make potato chips using petite red gourmet potatoes. Just cut off the ends, get rid of that part. You want to cut them thin so you can get chips, so thin as you can. Put them in a pot. And soak them in water for 20 minutes. Drain them off. Put a little dab of oil in there, just a dab, not too much. Little dab. Some sea salt. A little black pepper, you don't need to, but I like pepper on mine, so I'll just put a little black pepper on there. Shake it all around just so it can season evenly and the oil can get spread evenly on the potatoes. Put the potatoes as evenly as possible into the basket of your air fryer. Preheat it to 200. Top position, rack position in the air fryer. Let that cook at 200 for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the potato chips out. Put it on 400. Toss them like so. Toss the chips. Toss them over. And just tossed enough. Spread them out again. And then put them in one last rip for 4. And then top shelf again. 5 minutes. 400. There you go. 5 minutes is up. Take them out. Chips are served. Here's your homemade baby red potato chips. There are your homemade baby red potato chips.